The 9 stages can help keep you out of trouble. You're doing an experiment. You're expecting 3, rooting for 3, waiting for it, then don't. Okay, what went wrong? And what to do about it? That's 3 different things. 3 different levels. Tool or threat. Threat. 3 is friend. 7, enemy. Know your thinking. Science has to be objective. And you're right, but it is also human. And estimation, forming values, is it's one of the first steps in the human thinking process. It happens all the time, mostly on its own. It's not irrational, more pre-rational. And next comes judgment. A is B, or maybe not. What happened with that experiment anyway? Testing, calibration, contamination, caffeination, elimination of possibilities, ruthless, cold logic, and we're not done yet. Election, do A, not B, or do B, not A, because life is full of choices, and what are we going to do about it? Lying, by the way, always a bad choice. So redo the trial if you're in high school physics, but don't hide the data if you're researching drug safety. Here's the point. You can react with negative emotions here, boo, but still do the morally right thing here, yay. All thanks to sound reasoning here, yawn. Look out and look for the 3 different levels. Each one is real, each is human, and each is different. Your first reaction is not the same as your reasoned response, and no matter how real the emotion, it does not make a statement true or false. And no matter how valid the logic, it does not make a choice good or bad, which is relevant to social media. So think before you post. Gee, thanks, I never heard that one before. No, wait, why? That's my point. Why? Because messaging is targeted here. Feel this way about that. Feel a different way about something else. And we are proud to show off our well-trained reactions because we are good people, right? Well, maybe, but not yet because you haven't acted yet. You haven't done anything. Estimation is supposed to be the beginning of the thinking process, not the end. And this is a subtle point because some reactions are more appropriate and others are definitely inappropriate. And we are responsible for monitoring and forming our affections, but it's for a purpose. And it's judged by its output. It's meant to empower and motivate reasoned action. That's the final end. So, if you are spending all your time justifying and rationalizing reactions, that system has gotten turned upside down. All right, 2 quick points. Number 1, emotions are valid and human. They're proof that you're alive, but everyone's are different and everyone is constantly changing also. They are more things that happen to us than things we are doing. Number 2, logic supports infinitely many true statements, which means that no matter how much you've thought about something, you have definitely not thought of everything. So keep this in mind, and it might help you stay out of trouble. It might help you be less judgmental for other people, towards other people, or especially towards yourself. Let us keep those ruthless, cold judgments where they belong on concepts, and that'll help you figure out what went wrong in the experiment, and things will work out in the end, I hope.